this is Stephanie from CASA-Trinity with another tip from PAX Tools. I wanted to share one of my favorites today. It's called a tootle. And for those of you familiar with PAX, a tootle means the opposite of a tattle. It's just a way to compliment somebody, to thank somebody, and I've never seen anybody not smile when you give them one. So this is one that you can instantly put a smile on somebody's face, whether you see them or not. I'd like to challenge everybody to do a virtual tootle today. It could be a text to somebody, it could be an email, it could be a private message, whatever it might be. Just something that you have seen maybe somebody do well, you want to tell them great job, maybe you want to thank them for helping you through this tough time, whatever it might be. We have attached to this post some example scripts that you can use. You can send it to the parents that you're working with, you can send it to family members, friends, your own kids, your students, whoever that you want to thank or say great job. I think that's something that can really help us during this time, and I'd really like to challenge everybody to say a tootle. And I would like to share one that I used from the script that you'll see below, and I want to send this out to my supervisor, Christina. So dear Christina, it takes one moment to show strength, and you did. Thank you for being the encouragement that we all needed in this time. You are so strong, and I'm grateful for you. So thank you, Christina, and thank you everybody else for sharing a tootle with somebody else today.